Hi everyone, I hope you're all well and enjoying your home learning. Today we're going to look at solving calculations in the correct order. We're going to look at calculations a little bit like this one, where there's more than one mathematical operation. For example, here you can see an addition symbol and a multiplication symbol. But which order do we solve these in? We're going to look at a term called Bidmas to solve calculations like these. Now don't worry if you've never heard of Bidmas, I'm going to explain what it is and how to use it. So what is Bidmas? Bidmas is not a word with meaning, it's an acronym used to remember which maths operations to do first. Each letter stands for a different mathematical operation. Now you might be wondering, why do I need rules to tell me which operation to do first? Can't I just do them in any old order? It's a really good question, and to answer it I'm going to give you a problem to solve. Let's look at this. 2 add 5 multiplied by 3. Now you could solve this exactly as you read it. 2 add 5 is 7. 7 times 3, 21. Or you could think, I quite like multiplication, so I'm going to do that part first. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Add the 2 and we get 17. But which one is correct? You can see that if we solve problems in different orders, we're going to get a different answer. This is why Bidmas comes in handy, so we all follow the same order. So what does each letter in Bidmas stand for? First of all, the B stands for brackets. You must do any part of a calculation that sits inside brackets first. Let's look at this. 10 times 4 add 2. Now 4 add 2 sits inside the brackets, so that must be calculated first. 4 add 2 is 6. 10 times 6 is 60. Now indices comes next, and indices is another way of saying repeated multiplication. For example, 3 times 3 is 3 squared. 4 times 4 times 4 is 4 cubed, and these are indices. Let's look at this. 3 squared add 4 cubed. Let's look at Bidmas. B for brackets. There are no brackets to solve, so let's move to I. There are indices, so let's do those first. 3 squared is 9. 4 cubed is 64. Add them up and you get 73. Then comes the D for division. Let's have a look at this calculation. 10 add 6 divided by 2. What order should we do this in? Let's look at Bidmas. Are there any brackets? No. Are there any indices? No. There is division, so let's do that first. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 add 3 is 13. Then comes multiplication. 10 subtract 4 multiplied by 2. There are no brackets, no indices, no division, but there is multiplication, so let's do that first. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 10 subtract 8 is 2. Then comes the addition. Here you can see 10 multiplied by 4 add 7. Now because multiplication comes before addition, we must do that first. 10 multiplied by 4 is 40. Add the 7 is 47. Again, the S stands for subtraction, and that always comes last. Let's have a look at this one. 10 divided by 2 subtract 3. Well, division comes before subtraction, so 10 divided by 2 is 5. Subtract 3 and we should get 2. Let's have a little practice. Number 1, 10 divided by 2 add 3. Now 2 add 3 sits inside B for brackets, which comes first, so let's do that first. 2 add 3 is 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Why don't you pause this video and have a go at questions 2, 3 and 4 and press play to get the answers. Here are the answers. Number 2. 10 take away 2 cubed. Now 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 10 take away 8 is 2. Number 3, your answer should be 8. Number 4, your answer should be 22. Well done if you got those right. Here, I'm going to give you a challenge. Now, if you pause this video, you can do these on a piece of paper with a pencil. Remember, B for brackets first. Go all the way through down to subtraction. And when you press play, I will give you the answers. Good luck. Here are the answers.